Hello people, this is my 8th video of the day and I so enjoy making this particular, I like the idea of reviewing the Cadbury Cocoa, the real Cadbury flavor, and people, I cannot recommend this thing enough because it is so like, man, any kind of like I love making chocolate cake. Like, at one point I had made they say if you practice something 21 times you master it. So I had made chocolate cake 21 times consecutively, but when I was 21. No, seriously, when during some certain summer vacations or whatever, when back in college, post graduation. So yeah, but so I tried some of the other brands of cocoa powder in the market, but nothing compares with Cadbury Cocoa. So it is, people, a 5-star rating for it. So yeah, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.